kung gusto mong magkaroon ng impeachment muli si VP Sara, i-refile mo uli yan. But the Constitution says you cannot file another impeachment case against the same official within a period of 1 year. So, fast forward po natin. Pagdating po ng July, 4th Monday of July, na-organize na po yung Kamara. May speaker na, meron ng mga officialis, Secretary General, Majority Leader. Yan yung mga importanteng mga posisyon na kailangan ma-approve kagad para makapagtrabaho. Tapos, syempre, ayan na, Chairman ng Committee on Justice. Importante po yun dahil most likely siya magiging head ng prosecution panel ng House. So itatalaga nila yan, gagawin po nila yan. Ang question ba, itong bagong membro ng Kongreso, itong Kamara de Representante, na magtatalaga ng mga prosecutor to be headed more particularly by the chairman or chairperson of the Committee on Justice. Pwede ba nilang i-prosecute yung impeachment case na isinampa ng dating Kongreso? Hindi pwede, mga minamahal na kababayan. Kasi yung impeachment case na kanilang isinampa, ginawa po yan ng papaalis ng Kongreso, yung dating Kongreso. And all pending matters in the House of Representatives, bills, resolution, or any other matter for that purpose, including the impeachment case that was filed, transmitted, and referred to the Senate of the Philippines, is a pending matter that is also considered automatically terminated when Congress goes in recess sine die on June 30. Kaya itong bagong Kongreso, hindi siya pwedeng mag-prosecute ng isang bagay na non-existent na. Wala na yun eh. Ano pag i-prosecute mo kung yung dating isinampa ay wala na?